Welcome to Investor Web, the one-stop channel for financial wisdom and practical money management tactics. We're here to guide you through the maze of personal finance, offering valuable insights on everything from investment strategies to budgeting tips. Today, we're tackling a topic that might raise a few eyebrows, but is incredibly relevant to everyday money management. We're diving into the 10 things that even those who claim to be broke always seem to have money for. You'll be surprised to find out where many people's hard-earned cash is going, often leaving them scratching their heads at the end of the month. This topic isn't just about calling out these spending habits, but rather it's an attempt to help us all understand our financial behaviors better, enabling us to make more informed decisions with our money. So brace yourselves and stay tuned as we delve into these surprising spending habits. Firstly, fast food. It's quick, convenient, but often more expensive than home-cooked meals. Now, let's talk about the concept of convenience cost. You see, when we opt for fast food, we're not just paying for the food itself, we're also paying for the convenience of having it quickly prepared and served to us. This convenience cost can add up quickly, draining our budget without us even noticing. Now imagine if you swapped out just a couple of these fast food meals each week for a home-cooked alternative. You'd be surprised at how much you could save. Plus, most home-cooked meals are healthier, providing a double win for both your wallet and your well-being. It's all about planning ahead. Consider dedicating a couple of hours each week to meal prep. This way, you'll always have a cheaper, healthier alternative ready to go. Remember, $1 saved on a burger is $1 earned. Next up, those daily gourmet coffees that add up over time. The allure of a caramel macchiato or a velvety latte is hard to resist, isn't it? But have you ever stopped to consider how much you're actually spending on these liquid luxuries? If you're indulging in a £5 cup of coffee every day, that's over £1,800 in a year. Enough to buy a decent used car or even fund a small vacation. Now, let's imagine you swap your daily coffee shop visit for brewing your cup of joe at home. A good coffee machine might set you back a couple of £100, and your weekly coffee beans, milk, and other ingredients might amount to about £10. But in the long run, you're looking at a saving of over £1,000 a year. Invest in a coffee machine and you're investing in your future. Thirdly and fourthly, the latest tech gadgets and designer clothes. They're shiny, desirable, but are they necessary? In today's hyper-connected world, we're constantly bombarded with advertisements for the newest smartphones, the sleekest laptops, and the most cutting-edge smart home devices. Tech companies entice us with promises of better productivity, improved communication, and enhanced entertainment. And yes, while these devices may offer us convenience and efficiency, we must ask ourselves, do I really need this? Let's take smartphones, for example. With new models being released almost every year, it's easy to get caught up in the hype and splurge on the latest version. However, these high-tech devices often come with a hefty price tag. If you're upgrading your phone every year, you could be spending thousands of dollars over time, money that could be put towards savings or investments. In the same vein, designer clothes are often seen as a status symbol. From high-end sneakers to luxury handbags, these items are often purchased more for their brand name than their actual quality or utility. But just like with tech gadgets, the cost of maintaining a designer wardrobe can quickly add up. Now, we're not suggesting you should never treat yourself or spend money on things you enjoy. However, it's essential to prioritize your needs over your wants. Instead of buying the newest iPhone just because it's new, consider if your current phone still serves its purpose. Similarly, before splurging on that designer jacket, ask yourself if it's truly worth the price, or if you're just paying for the label. The key here is to shop smart. Invest in quality tech that truly serves your needs and will last for years. Purchase clothes that are durable, versatile, and timeless, rather than chasing after the latest trends. Remember, it's not about denying yourself enjoyment, but rather making wise financial decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Invest in quality, not labels, and tech that truly serves your needs. Moving on to number 5 and 6, expensive nights out and luxury vacations. Now, there's nothing wrong with enjoying a night on the town or a trip to a tropical paradise, but when these become frequent occurrences, they can quickly transform from exciting adventures to major budget busters. Let's start with nights out. A few drinks, a meal at a fancy restaurant, perhaps a show or a concert. It all adds up, doesn't it? Before you know it, you've spent a small fortune on a single evening. The alternative, how about hosting a dinner party at home or organizing a game night with friends? These can be just as fun, if not more, and will leave your wallet feeling considerably heavier. Next, we have luxury vacations. Picture this, a week at a 5-star resort in the Maldives, sipping cocktails by the pool, dining at gourmet restaurants every night. Sounds dreamy, right? But let's face it, these trips can cost a small fortune, and more often than not, people end up financing these extravagances with debt. It's a cycle that can be hard to break. Instead, why not explore budget-friendly vacation options? Camping trips, road trips, or even staycation can be incredibly rewarding and won't leave you with a mountain of debt. Plus, there's something uniquely satisfying about discovering the beauty in your own backyard. The point is, living beyond one's means for the sake of temporary enjoyment can lead to long-term financial instability. Even if you can afford it now, there's always the question of sustainability. Can you keep up this lifestyle in the future? Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of fun or adventures. It's about finding a balance between enjoying the present and preparing for the future. Making smart financial decisions now can lead to a life of financial freedom and security. So, trade short-term extravagance for long-term financial stability. It's a swap that you'll thank yourself for in the years to come. Lastly, points 7 to 10. Latest games, high-end makeup, premium cable packages, and trendy home decor. Let's dive in. We live in an era where gaming has evolved from a pastime to a lifestyle. The thrill of the latest game releases can be quite enticing, but remember, each new game is a dent in the wallet that could have been avoided or at least postponed. And then there's the gaming equipment. The latest consoles and accessories don't come cheap. Moving on to high-end makeup. It's no secret that the beauty industry thrives on creating a demand for the latest products. Sure, that new lipstick or eyeshadow palette might make you feel glamorous, but at what cost? High-end makeup products often come with a hefty price tag, a little here and a little there, and before you know it, your makeup drawer is worth a small fortune. Next up, premium cable packages. In a world where streaming services offer a wealth of entertainment options, it's worth questioning whether that pricey cable subscription is really necessary. The monthly cost of premium cable might seem insignificant, but over a year, it can add up to a substantial sum. Last but not least, trendy home decor. It's easy to get swept up in the latest design trends and feel the urge to constantly update your living space, but this is another area where costs can quickly escalate. Instead of splurging on that chic, overpriced coffee table, consider whether there are more budget-friendly alternatives that can achieve a similar effect. The common thread here is prioritizing. It's about distinguishing between wants and needs and aligning your spending with your financial goals, not trends. It's not about depriving yourself of enjoyment, but rather about making smart decisions that will secure your financial future. Remember, every pound saved today is a step towards financial independence tomorrow. Align your spending with your financial goals, not trends. That wraps up our list of 10 things broke people always have money for. We've journeyed through the tempting allure of fast food, the irresistible pull of expensive coffees, and the magnetic draw of the latest tech gadgets and designer clothes. We've explored the costly appeal of nights out and luxury vacations, and we've seen how even the latest games, high-end makeup, premium cable, and trendy home decor can dent our wallets. But remember, it's not just about what we spend our money on, it's about mindful spending and the art of saving. It's about making choices that not only satisfy our current wants, but also secure our future needs. Your financial health is a reflection of the decisions you make today. Remember, every financial decision you make today impacts your financial health tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more financial wisdom.